Hello my friends, welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much for stopping back by. If this is your first time to my channel, my name is Melissa and I typically do videos of home organization, shopping hauls, a lot of shopping hauls. I do have a vlog that I have going right now and just various little things that you find around the house, little DIYs, short little DIYs. And also every once in a while, I will throw in a review of a product. And that is what I have for you today. I have a product that is very necessary for what I have been going through recently. I just had a hip replacement surgery 2 weeks ago today, actually. And so there's one thing that is something that, you hate depending on people for certain things. And one of those things is shaving your legs. So with hip replacement, you can't bend your torso to where you have less than a 90-degree angle between your torso and your leg. So to shave your legs is quite impossible. So I have a wonderful husband that is willing to do that for me. When I had my hip replacement in 2019, he did it with a razor and like a soapy rag. So I thought I would make it easier for him this time. And I ordered this pretty thing from Bed Bath & Beyond. And actually when I went online on Sunday, they had it on sale for $39.99. And this is regular $60. Like if you go to Walmart, I don't think I've ever seen it on sale at Walmart. But it's one of those as seen on TV things, products, but they do sell it in the store. So when I found it on Bed Bath & Beyond's website for $39.99, I had to go ahead and get it. Plus I had my trusty 20% off coupon that I used. So with tax, and then my husband drove me to go pick it up, so I didn't pay for delivery for it. So with the sale plus the 20% off plus tax, I paid $35 something for it. So that's much better than paying $60. But I've been asking for this thing for probably 2 or 3 years for Christmas and various things. And I guess when you tell people you want a shaver, it's not like something, oh, that's a great idea, right? But look at this thing. It's so pretty. Okay, so I'm gonna take it out of the box. Let me tell you first of all, shoot, hold on. I gotta use my cane to get things sometimes because it's harder for me to get around. So anyway, I had to get my glasses because I'm gonna read to you. It says it's made by Finishing Touch Flawless Legs, removes hair instantly and pain-free. It says it's 18 karat gold plated, LED lights illuminate the skin so you never miss a spot. It has an ergonomic handle with a rubber grip, and there's a hole in the plastic right here so you can feel that rubber grip, and it does feel really nice. 4 floating heads that contour to every curve. And it includes the leg unit, the charger, a pouch, and a cleansing brush. It says it's dermatology approved, safe on all skin types, and it has a rechargeable lithium-ion battery. So I'm going to open this. So I've already opened it, but I put it back in there, and putting it back in was quite a challenge because it was really hard to get out of the box. So to try to put it in the box so that I could show you like it was never opened before. Yeah. Anyway, so I'm gonna, actually I think I figured it out so it's not quite so difficult. But anyway, here is the product. And it's so pretty. It's got this pretty blush pink rubber grip, and it is ergonomically whatever, so that it does fit in your hand pretty nicely. And then it's trimmed in rose gold. It really is pretty. If you have to have a pretty shaver, then this is the answer to all of your problems, because it's really pretty. But anyway, it comes with a guard, a plastic guard that comes off. It also comes with the little pouch, pretty little velvet pouch that you can put it in when you're done, so you don't have to put it back in that box. Can't wait to throw that away. And then you have your charger, you have the little plug thing, and then you have the brush. So, and I mean, it's really simple, just a matter of plugging the cord into the charger and you plug it in. Now, it says it only takes an hour to charge, and the charge is supposed to last up to 50 minutes. So if it takes you 50 minutes to shave your legs, you might want to start with a bushwhacker first. I'm just kidding, but seriously, why would you need this for 50 minutes? I don't know, but anyway. So it's really pretty, and then there's the little button right here that you push, and so it turns it on, and you can see the light. Has it on the front and the back, and then you can't really see the things turning, but it is safe to the touch. So like if I go like that, it's not gonna like cut me or anything. But so I had my husband use this on my legs for the first time the other night, and it actually did a pretty good job. I mean, I can't bend down to show you, but it did a pretty good job. Some of it may be, you know, did it get it as good as if I had a razor and some soap or some shaving cream? No. But did it do what I needed it to do and remove the hair that was growing on my legs after not shaving for like 2 weeks or so? Because I didn't know this, well, I guess maybe I did, but they ask you not to shave for like a week before your surgery. I don't know why. I guess to prevent, like if you're in the hospital and you have like an open wound, you might get an infection or something, I guess. So anyway, I had not shaved since a week before my surgery. So that made it about 2 weeks of not shaving. And so this definitely did the job it needed to do. Some of it may also have been the fact that my husband, it says to go in, oh yeah, it also comes with the little, I don't know what that is, cleaning instructions and a quick start guide, and it gives you information about the product, how to charge it, how to use it, quick start guide, care and maintenance. And it does say, oh, so it says it will take about an hour to charge. It didn't take that long. It didn't take an hour to charge it. It says the light will turn green. So there's a red light on it. And then once it's charged, the light turns green, you know it's ready. But it didn't take a full hour for the green light to come on. But it does just say, let's see, where was it? How to use. Gently guide along skin in circular motions. For best results, pull skin tight when removing hair. Anyway, so I had to tell him, slow down, you know, like this isn't a race. You're not gonna win a prize for doing it the fastest. So he had to slow down a little bit and, you know, use those circular motions. And so I figure once I'm able to do it myself, I will probably get better results, but it actually did work and I really liked it, and I will probably use it from now on instead of shaving in the tub because I just think that's kind of gross. I take baths rather than showers. If you're taking a shower, it's not gross to shave in the shower, but I don't know. I just think it's kind of gross to shave in the bathtub, but that's just me. So I will probably use this, you know, every time now to shave, but I really like it, and it does feel good in your hand. So it's easy to use. It makes it easy to use, and it's so pretty. Isn't that pretty? I love pretty things. Anyway, that is my review of the Flawless Legs. I don't know who it's by. Is it Flawless? No. Finishing Touch. That's who it's by. Yep. Finishing Touch Flawless Legs, because they have a lot of other products, but this was the one I was most interested in. So would I recommend it? Absolutely. Check Bed Bath & Beyond because they might have it on sale. And if they don't have it on sale, you can use a 20% off coupon. So I would definitely say get it from there, and I don't think Amazon had it any cheaper. So I would definitely say that this is a good buy. So that is my review of the Finishing Touch Flawless Legs. Leave a comment down below if you've ever tried it before. I know it's been around a while, so leave me a little comment and let me know if you have it and how you like it. And if you don't have it, if you leave a comment if you think you might get it. And I would appreciate it. And also, if you are new and you have not subscribed to my channel, please consider subscribing, and don't forget to click the bell button because it lets you know every time I upload a new video. And don't forget to hit the like button because it does help me out on my channel. And again, I appreciate you so much for stopping by. I will see you in the next one. Bye.